right to a rival on a last-second field goal. Whatever, it's fine. I thought it was fine. But I cope with losing with an ice-cold Dr. Pepper.
Oh, God.
Did we get hit?
No.
Totally
I'm pulling over. I'm checking.
football team taking up a
Like this ever get pulled over? I don't understand why not. Oh my God! Oh, he hit that car! Oh. That guy's still going.
Alright. Should we call 911?
Stop reporting emergency video.
Cool. Had no room.
It was a great documentary book. It's called Sour Grapes. And it's all about these wine guys that got duped. They were buying this wine that was like Thomas Jefferson's wine. It was like some dude was making it. Some dude in Century City was like making the label, putting over the bottle, like dirt on him. He was totally doing that. And he was mixing a bunch of cheap wine to try to come up with this flavor. Weird.
complexes.
What the fuck? This dumbass. Oh, he had a right turn signal on. What the fuck, bro? Every time it's someone else's fault.
And the cop just passed by.
The autistic has many
spectrum.
spectrum.
Yeah,
Everybody falls on the
nobody
autistic
says. But
spectrum.
no, Jesus Christ. Okay, you're good. Keep going. We're not dead. We just got hit by a car. Deer.